Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to stop GitHub Copilot with suggestions. So if you are coding and you always get these some suggestions, what you're going to do is just simply what you need to do is go here to the bottom right corner where you see this robot icon, and what you are going to do is here you will see inline suggestions. Just click on those checkboxes that are empty and you will see it here on the right that is now disabled. And this is pretty much it. With that you will stop GitHub Copilot suggestion, and you will have basically like you wanted. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the